Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write a project to convert any image into a transparent background image simply by using Python and the PIL library. We are going to remove the background from the image, and it's very useful to us because normally we find many websites which are charging us a good amount just to remove the background. We don't need to pay any of those. We can use our Python code and do it directly and free of cost. So let's get started. Hey guys, so let's get started. Here is a project of Python. I have created one background remover.python file, and here I'm going to import the required modules. The first module which I'm going to import is from rembd import remove. It's rembg, and from pil import image. We will take a input path is equal to the path of the image. So I've taken an image over here, which is image of a Jim Carrey. It's located in the same path as my project. So I'm simply going to just mention images dot jpeg, and then output path would be images underscore transparent dot jpeg. So this is the input and output path. Now we are going to write about processing the image. Input is equal to image dot open, and the open will provide the input path. We are going to install the packages. First, we install the PIL package, and now we install the MBG package. MBG package is for remove background, and we are importing the function remove. It will remove the background of the image. From the PIL, we are importing the image. So using the PIL image function, we are going to open the image, and then for removing the background, we will just simply write output is equal to remove function, and then the input which we just did using the processing the image. Now, once this is done, we will save the image, output dot save, and the output path. So the package got installed successfully, and now we are going to execute this file. Take a few seconds to execute. Let's wait patiently. So I got error which says cannot write mode RGBA as JPG. That is fine. Let's try and save it as PNG. Okay. So we got a transparent file of Jim Carrey. You can see the original file was with background, and the new file was without the background. We had to convert JPG to PNG because it was not able to write in the JPG format. That's the limitation of the remove function. This way we can convert any file and remove its background. No need to put so much money in the websites to buy the subscription and remove the background. It's an easy way to remove it. Just a simple program to do it. Thanks for watching it. So if you like my videos, to like them up and subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day. Hey guys, so let's push our changes to the GIT repository. We'll start off with echo and name photo background remover with Python, and insert it into the readme.md file. Now let's do git init. This has initialized the git repository. Git add will add all the files, check the status. All the green files show these particular files were added. I'm also adding the images for the reference purpose only. Git commit -m, add files. Oh, sorry, m would be small. 4 files were added, and now we are going to branch to main -m and main. Now we'll add the remote origin. This is the GIT library which I have created. And git push -u origin main. The changes have got pushed. So if we want to check our changes, we'll navigate to the GIT library which we had created and refresh this up. You can see all the changes which we made have got updated over here. Thanks for watching.